Welcome to the project execution demo of the 3DX series. This is the 5th demo in the series, and as before, any work covered in the previous demos may not be covered again. Where the traceable requirements and project management apps are designed for the project manager, the project execution app is designed for all project members and acts as a platform for them to receive, track, and complete their assigned tasks. This starts with managing and editing their tasks, tracking their work hours via timesheets, and then identifying and recording risks for their tasks or the project. We have some basic terminology here, much of which has already been dealt with. The new items are the timesheets, which are objects for recording hours spent on a task, and risks. Risks are any uncertain future event that may negatively affect the project. On a side note, opportunities may be beneficial for the project and can be handled in much the same manner as risks. To kick off, the core of the project execution app is managing members' tasks, beginning with the project execution dashboard. This page is for managing tasks and gives the member an overview of all tasks assigned to them across all projects, as well as the status, estimated start and end dates of the tasks. Note that only tasks promoted by the project manager to the ready state and onward will appear on the member's task list. The project dashboard for the members is the same as that for the project manager and gives an overview of the entire project instead of just the members' tasks. This is useful as it shows members where in the project they fit in and indicates the progress of prerequisite tasks. Going back to the execution dashboard, editing task characteristics such as progress and hours, we will deal with timesheets a little bit later, is best done from here by using the edit command. Changing the status of a project, say from in work to complete, requires one to promote the task from the task space. Once tasks are in the complete state, they will no longer appear on the member's execution dashboard. The project management app also has all these functionalities, so that the project manager can complete their tasks from the project management app rather than swapping between the two. Editing assigned tasks or adding subtasks or deliverables is done as before in the project management app. We will now go through these 4 points in a video example. When opening the project execution app, we are automatically taken to the execution dashboard. From here, I can see a list of all my tasks, as well as general information relating to each of them. At this stage, I have got 3 tasks assigned to me in the ready state, all of which are from the Demo Chassis 1 project, with estimated starts on the 10th, 13th, and 20th of February. We also have sections related to our timesheets and percentage complete for each task. We will deal with these a little bit later in the video. Next, we can bring up the project dashboard by going to Projects, and opening the Demo Chassis 1 project space. This project dashboard is exactly the same as the one found in the project management app and gives me a better understanding of the project status and progress. If we return to the execution dashboard, our next step is editing task details. When updating the percentage complete, we merely need to click on the sliding bar. And note that the task lifecycle is automatically updated to the correct state. We can also edit the task details by opening up the task space. And from here, define the deliverables, dependencies, efforts, etc. as we need. If we now return to our project dashboard, we can see that the summary information has been updated. Our completed task has been moved from the pending section to completed, and our second in work task now shows up on the pie chart as well. Both of these were critical tasks and so appear on the right-hand side. We will keep referring back to this page later in the demo series as we complete more and more tasks. Our last point for this video is adding subtasks, which we do from the schedule category. From here, adding tasks takes the same process as was done in the previous demo under project management. For our example, we will split the chassis first FEA round into a separate meshing and analysis tasks. And our two subtasks now appear as children to the original chassis first FEA round, shown here. We have not defined our dependencies between these two tasks yet, and so we go to the Gantt chart and use the drag and drop method as before. And as always, remember to click Save before moving on. These are the basic functions of the project execution app and will be the most heavily used functions. The main point of this app is to give constant feedback to the project manager so that they know the project status and progress and are able to quickly respond to any issues or delays. At this point, we have identified the tasks we need to complete and created subtasks where necessary, as well as fed progress information back to the project manager. But from a business point of view, how long did the tasks actually take, and what else was done in the interim? This query leads us into creating member timesheets.